Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to write Zach in cursive. Let's start by focusing on the capital Z. Begin with an upward stroke, then loop back and down, finishing with a small tail to connect to the next letter. Next, form the lowercase a directly from the Z without pausing. Ensure your strokes are fluid and consistent. We'll then move on to connecting the C and H to complete the name. Now, let's refine the capital Z and its connection to the A. The Z should have a graceful, almost figure-8 motion. After completing the main body of the Z, extend a small connecting stroke upwards to seamlessly join the lowercase a. Remember, the begins with an undercurve, then forms its characteristic loop before extending a small tail for the next letter. Practice this transition several times. Moving on, let's connect the C and H to the A. From the tail of the A, extend a small upward stroke to begin the C. The C should be open and round. Immediately after completing the C, extend another upward stroke to form the loop of the H. Bring the H down with a straight line, then curve it up for its final connecting stroke. Focus on maintaining consistent spacing. To truly master writing, Zach, in cursive, consistent practice is key. Try writing the name multiple times, paying close attention to the connections and the overall flow. Focus on maintaining uniform letter size and consistent spacing between each letter to achieve a neat and polished look. Remember, patience and repetition will significantly improve your cursive handwriting. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.